My dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss tangent theorems. So we have to discuss three theorems. I think you are all ready to receive the class, so we can go to the class directly. So theorem number 1. Angle between the tangent and the radius to the point of contact is always 90 degree, right angle. That is what the first theorem that we have to discuss. Tangent theorem. Theorem number 1. Suppose there is a circle with the center at O. There is a tangent. What is a tangent? Tangent is a line which touches a circle at single point. Suppose AB is a tangent. AB is a tangent line. Why AB is tangent? Because this line touches the circle at a single point. That line has only a single contact with the circle. The point where the line touches the circle, contact the circle, is called the point of contact. Here suppose C is the point of contact. Then OC is the radius to the point of contact. AB is tangent line. OC is the radius to the point of contact. And this angle between the tangent line and the radius to the point of contact, this will be always 90 degree, right angle. So this angle is 90 degree. This is what theorem number 1. Okay, let's go to theorem number 2. Theorem number 2 says about the number of tangents which can be drawn from an outside point to a circle. From an outside point, we can draw a total of a maximum of 2 tangents to a circle, and both of them are of equal length. From an outside point, we can draw a maximum of 2 tangents to a circle, and both of them are of equal length. This is what theorem number 2. Theorem number 2. Suppose there is a circle which center at O. Suppose there is an outside point P. P is an outside point. From this point, we can draw a maximum of 2 tangents to a circle. You can draw a maximum of 2. Okay. Suppose here this is a point of contact A. This is another. This tangent contact that touches the circle at B. So here AP and BP are tangents. Both of them are of equal length. Here AP is equal to BP. This is what our theorem number 2. From an outside point, we can draw 2 tangents to a circle. Both of them are of equal length. Let's move tangents theorem number 3. This theorem is also known as alternate segment theorem. Suppose in a circle there is a tangent line. There is a chord also. What is a chord? A line touches a circle at 2 points is a chord. So angle between the tangent line and the chord is same as the angle with the chord makes in the alternate segment. This is what theorem number 3. Angle between the tangent and the chord is same as the angle with the chord makes in the alternate segment. So this theorem is known as alternate segment theorem. Theorem number 3. Suppose there is a circle, its center to O. There is a chord AB. Chord means a line touches the circle at 2 points. Here, this line have 2 point of contacts. Means line touches the circle at 2 points. So this line is chord. This line segment is chord. So we can, there is a, through the point A we can draw a tangent. Okay, this is a tangent line and tangent line is. So here we can see an angle between the tangent line and the chord. This is a tangent line AC and this is what the chord AB. So angle between the tangent line and the chord. This angle is same as the angle with the chord makes in the alternate segment. So suppose this chord makes an angle here. From the chord, from the end points of the chord makes an angle in the alternate segment. Okay. Then this angle and this angle will be equal. See, angle between the tangent and the chord is same as the chord makes an angle in the alternate segment. Actually, this chord divides the circle into two segments. This is a small, suppose I will show here more clearly. Suppose this is the chord AB. What does it do, the chord on the circle? See, the chord divides the circle into two segments. This is a minor segment, small segment, minor segment. And this is what? A major segment, a big portion. Major segment. Okay? A chord divides. So here the chord makes an angle in the alternate, in the major segment. So this angle and the angle between the tangent and the chord will be equal. So this theorem is called alternate segment theorem. It is also known as alternate AST, alternate segment theorem, or AST. So these are the main tangent theorems. So based on these theorems we can discuss problems later. So that's all. Today we discussed three tangent theorems. The first theorem is angle between the tangent and the point, radius to the point of contact. Angle between the tangent and the radius to the point of contact is always 90 degree, always a right angle. That is what our theorem number 1. And the second theorem is about the number of tangents which can be drawn from an outside point to a circle. From an outside point we can draw a maximum of 2 tangents to a circle and both of them are of equal length. That is theorem number 2. And theorem number 3 is angle between the tangent line and the chord. That is same as the angle which the chord makes in the alternate segment. So this is known as alternate segment theorem. So these are the 3 theorems we have to discuss today. So it's problems based on these theorems. We have to do a lot of problems that we will discuss later. Okay, that's all for